Gigo.
Avoiding entanglements. This is the tornado tower. We will be showing you how to attach the string securely and easily to the tornado tower. First, pass the string through the hole directly above the fan. Next, take out the axle connector and press the string across the connector. It should pass through the tool slot. After that, press the axle connector into the hole beside the hole above the fan. Now, let's do something similar at the top. Pass the string through the hole directly above the lower one. Attach it to the axle in the same way, and put it in the adjacent hole, the same as before. If your string is too long, you can take up slack by wrapping any excess around the top of the connector as I am doing here. Keep widening it a few more times until it is just right. Presto! All done!